Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have an EMEET GeniusCall HS100 wireless Bluetooth headset with microphone and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it, you're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting, in case this headset is not pairing with Bluetooth or not connecting to your phone or not syncing with the app, or if it's not responding, not working, any kind of issues like that can very often be fixed with a factory reset. Now the second reason you might want to do this is just in any situation where you want to clear all the pairings list, reset all the settings back to their out-of-the-box factory defaults so that you can go ahead and set this headset up basically like it's brand new coming out of the box. You can set it up on a new phone or whatever. It's quite easy. All you need to do this reset is you're just going to come on the ear cup over here and you're going to find this volume up button and the volume down button on the side of the ear cup, and you're just going to press and hold both of those buttons simultaneously for 10 full seconds. After 10 seconds, the headset will reset into its factory default state. You can go ahead and pair it as a brand new device on your device.